Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the OBD port, also known as Diagnostics Port, fuses and relays are located on that generation Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, guys. There will be some hidden fuse boxes in that car, we'll talk about that. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and explain about the OBD port, the Diagnostics Port, fuses and relays. Quick advice we want to give you: 9 out of 10 owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. What we guys need to do now, first we need to open the driver door. The moment you open your driver door, you see that's the side of the dash here. That cover here will need to be removed. Just pry it open and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, we need to check one fuse. We'll talk about a relay right after that as well. Now, coming this way, okay, that will be the top towards the bottom. This is fuse now 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. Guys, that fuse, okay, that you see right here, fuse number 204, that 5M fuse, that's the one for the OBD port and also known as Diagnostics Port. What about a relay? You don't have any relays, that's known as a relay fuse. That will be the only thing that you will, guys, need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.